Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So right now, we'll be having a snack. So here's our snack. So we have here baked macaroni
With cheese.
with cheese. It's so yummy.
So, this is like...
So here is
Okay,
Julian
okay, so
and here is
my
Dylan.
mom
Say hi to
has-
Dong. Dong. Say hi to
I
them.
stay in the freezer for
Okay,
so
so
long. And it's
guys,
been 3
mag-isa dyan po
hours.
kayo. So it's very,
So this is embarrassing.
so hungry.
So, Mom, why did you put it in here?
I'm so hungry talaga.
Talaga. Talaga means
Talaga.
very much.
Yeah.
In Filipino, it's talaga. She's a Filipino. I'm a Filipino. Okay, so we're Filipino. It's okay, it's okay.
No, you get your own fork.
Dylan, you use mine. What happened?
Mm.
It's only like, it's like ice inside. It's like super cold. It's so cold. It's so cold.
Iced tea? I will get iced tea.
Okay.
Ow!
Sorry! You macaroni! You macaroni with cheese! Time to go to
What's
the
mine? Okay. How yours?
You use mine though.
Okay, let's eat now. No, let's eat na.
Where's your ice teacher?
So yummy.
Where's your ice teacher?
Where's my iced tea?
This is mine. Are your ice teacher? Sorry.
Where is mine?
I didn't pour it out, okay? Because it's called
It's okay.
wasting. It's just right here. Just hit it.
Okay.
Read it. I got
Good. So I have here iced tea. Iced tea bread and
This is a
baked
normal.
macaroni.
I'm sorry. This is a normal Filipino breakfast, snacks, dinner, lunch, or whatever. They can eat this anytime. So cold. Wait.
Are yummy dong? Is it yummy? Hi sa dong. Come here sa. Come here sa. Say hi to them. Yummy dile. Is it yummy?
I hate channel.
What?
I don't want to.
Full na ba?